Assalamualaikum. So today we are going to solve some calculus. So here's the question from the derivative portion of the calculus, which states that if y equals cos inverse x to the whole square, then show that 1 minus x square y2 minus x y1 minus 2 equals 0. And here y2 and y1 are the second and first derivative of y with respect to x. So to solve this question, we will take this equation, and after solving this equation, we will derive the required relation. So first of all, we will differentiate it with respect to x, and here we will have y1 equals, and on this side of the equation, derivatives power rule will be applied, and it will become 2 cos inverse x into minus 1 over under root 1 minus x square. So now we will square it on both sides, and this equation will become y1 square equals 4 cos inverse x to the whole square over this under root will be cancelled out due to squaring on this side of the equation, and it will become 1 minus x square. As this 1 minus x square is in the denominator here, and when we take this on the other side of the equality, it gets multiplied with this y1 square. So it will become as 1 minus x square into y1 square equals 4 cos inverse x to the whole square. And now we will again differentiate this equation, and when we do so, the product rule of the derivative will be applied on this side of the equation, as this is the first function and this y1 square is the second function here. So as the product rule of the derivative suggests, we take first function as it is, derivative of the second function, plus second function as it is, derivative of the first function, equals 4 into, as this is the value of the y, as we can see it here. So this is actually the value of y. Now when we again differentiate this equation, it becomes first function as it is, derivative of the second function, plus second function as it is, derivative of the first function, equals, as this 4 is taken out as constant, and here we will have dy over dx. Now you can solve this equation further, and here we will have 1 minus x square into 2y1, as this is the derivative of the first derivative of y, and it is actually the second derivative of y, plus, actually this one becomes plus into minus, and when this 2x is multiplied by with this y1 square, it becomes 2x y1 square equals 4 into, this is the first derivative of y1. Now as we can see on this side of the equation, 2y1 can be taken out as common, so that is what we will do here. We will take this 2y1 as common, and after taking it as common, but we are remained with 1 minus x square into, as this 2y1 is taken out as common, so here we are remained with y2 minus, as this 2 is taken out as common, and 1 y1 from this y1 square is taken out as common, and we are remained here with x y1 equals 4y1, and this 2y1 will be cancelled out with this 4y1, and here we are remained with just 2. And when this 2 comes on this side of the equality, it gets subtracted from this expression. So here we will have 1 minus x square into y2 minus x y1 and minus 2 equals 0. And this is what we had to prove, and we are asked to derive in the first place.